Hey guys, tis me here with another circuit. Basically today what I was playing with was a Colpitts crystal oscillator. It works from 1 to 20 megs, and we're using the 3904 transistor there. Pretty simple circuit, as you can tell. There's only about half a dozen parts into it. Straightforward. And what I did with this circuit today is I just put it on a breadboard and decided to try it on the breadboard, see how it works. Surprisingly, it worked rather well. Also on this here, I also have an LED a polarity indicator. I came across this circuit years ago, stuck it here, ugly construction, and I use it on all my projects when I'm just playing around with the breadboard and making sure I don't hook anything up backwards, because it's easily done. I'll show you how the indicator works. So basically, if I hook up my leads backwards, I should get a red volt or a red light, and if I hook them up correctly, I will get a green. There we go, and we have the green light, so we know we're good. So yeah, that's the circuit, and basically this particular circuit, it's basically a universal signal generator. Also, it operates, like I said, between 1 and 20 megs. It's a fundamental mode oscillator, which basically means it's a fixed frequency. So whatever the crystal is the frequency you're going to be using. The transistor must operate as a oscillator, so that's one of the characteristics of it. And the transistors can be a 2N 3904, 2N 2222, and a 2N 3906. But if you're using the 3906, you got to reverse the input there. So you know, any of the cheap transistors we're good with. I did change a few things around on it because I don't have the proper capacitors. I'm using disc capacitors. That shouldn't be really, I shouldn't be really using them because of heat and what have you. They can't change, but for just messing around here, seeing the circuit works, what have you, I'm good with it. Also, I got the circuit. I took it out of this particular book. Let me just lay that there for a second. Secrets of Circuit Design, Joseph Kerr. Very good book. Lots of information into it. Lots of different schematics and what have you to play around with. And that's probably what I'm going to start doing, is just picking a schematic here, go through it, and see if I can build it. But winter is coming, so we'll see. And I'll just show you now on the scope. I set it up on the scope there just to see what kind of a sine wave I'd get out of it, and not bad actually. So now this is running on 5 volts, and just turn that on there and turn the light off, see if we can get a better. No, I don't think we're going to zoom in today. Let me just pop this off to try it. And as you can see, that's 5 volts, and of course if we increase the voltage, it'll get a bit higher on the ridges, on the peaks and lows. But it seems to work. Again, it's a nicer sounding on 5 volts there. So yeah, that's the Colpitts oscillator slash signal generator, whatever you want to call it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you know, any questions, contact me, and well, we'll talk to you again soon.